Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I will teach some parts of the body and Korean language. Let's start the video without waste of time, but before make sure you follow me and like this video. The first one is mori, which mean head. Mori, which mean head. The second one is pe, which means stomach, The third one is gui, which mean ear, The fourth one is vi, which mean belly. The fifth one is pal, which mean foot. Fifth one is pal, which mean foot. The sixth one is sun, which mean hand,